70% of meta ads fail before they even get a click. And it's not because your offer sucks. It's because your ad copy doesn't speak to real human emotions. But what if AI could? What if you could generate 5 powerfully emotional, meta-compliant ad angles in under 30 seconds without hiring a copywriter? That's exactly what I built, a custom GPT that writes ad copy using the minds of David Ogilvy, Dan Kennedy, Jim Edwards, and even Sabri Subi. Now, if you're new to the channel, I'm Rafael Hernandez, and I've managed over 10 million in ad spend, worked with brands like Neil Patel's NP Digital and Uber Suggest, and spent 5 years as a software engineer before building my ad agency, Great Marketing AI, where we use the latest AI-powered marketing strategies to deliver real results. So I'm going to break down exactly how I built a GPT that performs better than most copywriters. And here's the thing, most ad copy fails because it lacks emotional depth and clarity. Our GPT writes like a blend of Ogilvy, Kennedy, and Sabri Subi. It also rotates 5 emotional angles in every ad set that you can use to A/B test for your ads. And the output is it gives you headlines, long form, short form, and compliant ad copy for Meta. And it also is trained to use classic frameworks like ADA, PASS, FAB, PASSER, different copywriting frameworks. Every line earns the next and every word is built to sell. Also, really important, there's no M dashes, there's no fluff, and it's just pure conversions. And the way it works is the GPT is going to give you this output structure. It's going to give you ad title, the concept or the angle of the ad, a targeting line, like who is the ad targeting, 5 primary copy variants, so 5 different ad copy variants that you can A/B test, 10 meta headlines that are max 40 characters, which is what Meta likes. And from these 10, you can choose 3 to 5 of those to run for your ads. And each ad is built for emotion, story, and simplicity. So let's go through an actual example of this in action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ad here. I'm just going to screenshot this ad. I'm going to save that. I'm going to go to our GPTs. So this is our Meta Ad Copy GPT, and you can see here these are the full instructions. I also have other knowledge base, so Meta Ad Relevant. I also uploaded some additional knowledge base files just to give it more context. So primary text guide, optimization triggers, Meta Ad Relevant score, etc. No recommended model. I'm just going to try it out with model 5.1 for ChatGPT, and this is how I would use it. I'm just going to give the ad and I'm going to give a little bit of context. This is an ad for NP Digital, Neil Patel's marketing agency. They are targeting SMBs for their marketing services. Usually we actually have at Great Marketing AI for every single client, we have a thing called a context profile. That context profile knows everything about our clients or that business. It knows about their offer and it knows about their target audience, all of that. Usually I like to copy that context profile, which is like a JSON file, and add it here when I actually ask for this ad copy. So it gives us an even better response. But for this is just going to be an example so you guys can see how this works. And you can see here, this is what I gave it, and then this is the output. So the title, search everywhere SEO for SMBs. The ad concept, show SMBs how the next era of SEO helps them show up everywhere. Buyer search, not only on Google. Ad targeting sequence, built for growth, focused SMB owners who want more visibility, more traffic, and more ready to buy customers across every major platform. And this is what I love about this. So here are the primary ad copy variants. Ad copy number 1, pastor angle. So we trained this with all the best copywriting frameworks, and when it gives us an output, it actually gives us different variations using different frameworks. So pastor is problem, amplify, solution, testimony, offer, response. Right, so problem, amplify, solution, transformation, offer, response. So if we go back to this is using that copywriting framework. It also gives us the character count here, which is nice, and then it gives us the ad copy. I also created it in a way where the output is in this code block. And what's awesome about this is a text code block. I can just literally click this little copy code here and bam, it's already on my clipboard. And then I can paste it into Meta, which is awesome. So makes it super easy and super efficient. So let's go through this. Attention SMB owners ready to grow online. You work hard, stand out, but search has changed. This is where most brands fail. Gives us some different bullet points here: more visibility, stronger brand, higher quality, done for you setup. It has a call to action: claim your free audit today, limited spots this week. Awesome. And I also trained it to add this PS line, which I love adding in these types of ad copy. PS, seeing your business everywhere builds trust faster. Awesome. Here we go. ADA angle, ad copy number 2, curiosity plus proof angle. So it also gives us some longer ad copy. So this one's a little longer, and you can see this one's 380 characters. It's a little shorter. So we can also A/B test longer, shorter ad copies. And then it gives us 10 headlines at the end, max 40 characters each. 7 platform SEO blueprint, how SMBs boost visibility fast. Free multi-channel SEO audit, show up everywhere customers search. I love that one. Free audit, higher visibility. Bam. So now we have our headlines, and it's that easy. So we literally train this with the best copywriting frameworks using the best copywriting, and it's that easy. We literally engineered it to identify your offer, your audience, the awareness stage that you're trying to target. It's going to rotate emotional angles like urgency, scarcity. It's going to use the best world-class copywriting frameworks like ADA, PAS, FAB, PASTER. It's also going to format everything for you so it's super easy to copy, and also it's in meta safe language. So we actually program this to make sure all this ad copy is compliant with meta standards. And yes, it also gets rid of all of those annoying M dashes, which is also great. So you can see here, never use M dashes in your output. So this is one of the ways that we leverage AI at our agency, Great Marketing AI. Also, whenever we write this ad copy, we make sure to proofread it, so it's always AI plus humans working together more efficiently. And the last thing is, if you want access to the exact GPT that we use at our agency for meta ad copy, you can actually find that within our community on School called Great Marketing Systems. In here, you'll have a link to actually access that GPT. And then we also have a bunch of training on meta ads, server-side tracking, how to launch webinars, how to launch VSL funnels, how to improve your show rates. You get ad creative template packs where you can unlock multiple different ad creatives to test for your ads. And I'm also in here really active answering questions from community members in this community. So that sounds like something you're interested in. Make sure to click the link in the description and sign up. To officially sign up and unlock the full course, you would have to go in here where it says unlock full course, go to this page. Through this page, you can actually get access to the community. So links in the description if you want that. And then we're always dropping new bonuses like more GPTs, more ad creative templates, and more step-by-step videos, especially on server-side tracking using CAPI or GTM and Stay.io. So that sounds like something you're interested in. Make sure to join the community, and I'll see you for the next one.